Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable Hotspot for accessibility on your Kindle to share your internet connection, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Note that Kindle devices do not have a built-in mobile hotspot feature, so you cannot turn your Kindle into a hotspot. Step 2. However, you can connect your Kindle to a mobile hotspot from another device to access the internet. Step 3. On your smartphone, enable the mobile hotspot by going to Settings, then selecting Network or Connections. Step 4. Tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, then toggle on Mobile Hotspot. Step 5. Set a hotspot name and password to secure your connection. Step 6. On your Kindle, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Step 7. Tap on Wi-Fi to view available networks. Step 8. Select your smartphone's hotspot name from the list of available networks. Step 9. Enter the hotspot password when prompted and tap Connect. Step 10. Your Kindle will now be connected to the internet via your smartphone's mobile hotspot. Step 11. For accessibility features on Kindle, go to Settings, then Accessibility, and enable features like Voice View or Text-to-Speech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.